Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have an HP EliteBook 850 G5 model laptop. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your Wi-Fi card. So first thing, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip it over to access our bottom case screws. After removing all the screws seen here, you're going to take a small, flat, preferably plastic pry tool. I say plastic because it'll scratch your case less than a metal one will. We're going to go across the seam all the way around and pry the bottom case off from the rest of the computer. Now it's generally best to start in the back near one of the two corners. Don't go too far in with the pry tool. You could damage some internal components. Just keep it on the edge. Go slow but firm. And if you get stuck going in one direction, just leave it. Start on the other side and go the other way. After you get your bottom case off, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything when you're working on your computer. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your project, there will be a link above. Also below in the description, it'll be a list of all the tools and supplies that I use in my shop, and I will also include in that list all the replacement and upgrade parts for this specific model computer, the 850 G5. Now, before I touch anything in a computer, I always either remove or at least unplug my battery. A computer is safest to work on when as little power as possible is running through it. Now, here's your battery right down here. This battery has 4 screws. Each one will have a little white arrow or triangle next to the M2.5 notation. So you have the one here, 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 and here. And the battery plugs into the motherboard right here. Now, this goes for any cables or wires in a computer. Try not to pull on the actual wires if at all possible. If you can, just manipulate the plug. And this is a nice plug. It's got a grip on either side. You can use your fingernails or a pry tool to wiggle that out of that port without having to pull on that wire too much. Your Wi-Fi cards are right up here, top left of my screen. And yes, I did say Wi-Fi cards. There are 2 of them in this computer. You have this smaller one here in this port and this larger one here in this port. This model computer has 2 cards because it's designed to be used with Intel 8265 wireless AC tech. That allows for both 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz to be used at the same time. So it's meant to give you a better, more stable Wi-Fi connection. They do work in the exact same way. They're both held down by a single screw on top. And then once you remove that screw, you can get each card out of this bottom port. All you would have left are 2 antenna wire that snap onto either one. Those are just snaps. Those come directly up and off of the Wi-Fi card. And then to put them back down, they do need to be at a perfect 90-degree angle to get down. And you are strong enough to damage them if they're not at the right angle and you try to force it. So just go slow, be patient. It could be a little bit of a pain if you're not used to it, but you will be able to snap those back on. I will have all the Wi-Fi card information below in the description, including their part numbers if you're looking for your own replacement, but I will try to have replacement options below in that link I told you about with all of the upgrade and replacement parts for this model computer. And I guess the last thing I can mention about this type of operation, if you are having Wi-Fi issues in your computer, if you're not able to access any Wi-Fi options, if you can't see any networks, your Wi-Fi card could be bad. It may need to be replaced, but it also could be something else. Before you get in here and try an invasive repair like this, I will have a video link above, also below in the description. That will be a video tutorial showing you how to troubleshoot if you're not seeing any Wi-Fi settings or if you can't access those options. Hopefully you can fix it that way first. But that's the end of this video, how to get inside the 850 G5 and access your Wi-Fi cards. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related link section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.